Hello students, welcome to our GSC class. So in the last class, we have discussed the question answer of your lesson 7. In this video also, we are going to the same. We will revise again the question answer of that chapter. Okay, so let us see. Nicely you just listen and carefully you note down all the answers in your copy. So let us start. First number is about the multiple choice questions. Okay, so it has definite volume and shape. So the answer is your solid. Already I have explained you in the online live classes. So here only I will tell the answer. Okay, it can be cut to any shape. That is your the same solid only. Solid only, it can be cut into any shape. Okay, then next. It flows and takes the shape of the container, that is your liquid, because you know your solid cannot flow and your gas it flows in every direction. So your answer is your liquid. Then Dex is your mixture of gases, so you know that is your air is the mixture of gases. Okay, then we can feel but cannot see, that is your gas only, because you can see the liquid and you can see the solid also. Okay, then next, true and false. All living and non-living things are made up of matter. So this is your correct statement. So you will write true. Okay, then solid objects can be held easily with our hands. This is also your true, because easily you can hold the solid objects in your hands. Okay, then water flows from lower level to higher level. So this is a completely wrong statement, because you have read that water flows from higher level to lower level. Okay, so you write this one is your false statement, 3 number. Okay, then fourth one, many kinds of gases are mixed in the air that we breathe. This is a completely true statements, because you know that air is a mixture of gases. Okay, then next, we can see air when we wear goggles. So you know this is a completely wrong. If you are wearing the goggles, then you can't see the air, because air is completely invisible. You can feel only. Okay, so this is your true false also finished. Next, what is air? Let us see. Next, your fill in the blanks it is there. Okay, so you have to find the correct answer and you have to fill in the blank. Okay, so tell me, anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Okay, that is called your matter. So I have written also here. You can easily note down all this. Then matter is made up of tiny particles called what? So you read about the molecule. So what is molecule? That molecule means what? Matter is made up of the tiny particles, which is called your molecules. Okay, then next, that one too I have written there, see. Then state of matter in which the molecules are closely arranged, that is your where your molecules are closely arranged, that is your solid. Okay, then next, if the molecules are loosely packed and do not have a fixed shape but they have a fixed volume, we call the matter as what is that? That is your liquid. Okay, so liquid don't have any shape but it has the fixed volume. Okay, then next, when the molecules are loosely arranged and move freely in all direction, it is known as what? That is your gas. I told you that your gas is movable in all the direction. That means air moves in all the direction. Okay, so your fill in the blanks also completed. Next we will see the odd one out. Okay, first one, filter, cup, perfume and your glass. So you know perfume will be the odd one, because perfume here is the only gas, whereas the others are the solids. Okay, next, oxygen, milk, smoke and steam. So here which one will be the odd one? That is your milk, because milk is only the liquid here, whereas the oxygen, smoke and steam are the gases. Okay, next, ice, juice, petrol and diesel. Here which one will be the odd one? that is your ice, because ice is the solid, whereas your juice, petrol and diesel are the liquids. Okay. Then next, bike, book, bell, ink. So here ink is the odd one, because ink is the liquid, whereas the others are the solids. Okay. Next, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and spoon. Obviously spoon will be the odd one, because spoon is the solid, whereas the others are the gases. Understood? Very good. Next, your question answer. Okay. So let us see. I have written the answers here. Nicely you note down. Okay. Without any mistake you note down the answers. First question, what is matter? Name the different states of matter. Okay. So matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. So you know that one, matter. Then what are the states of matter? That is, the different states of your matter are your solid, liquid and gas. Okay. Then second question, how are molecules arranged in solid and liquid? So you know that in solid state molecules are very close to each other and tightly packed. Okay. And in the liquid state molecules are loosely packed and continuously moving around each other. As they are loosely packed, so molecules will move continuously around each other. Okay. Then next, how are molecules arranged in a gas and how is it different from solid and liquid? So you know that in gas the molecules are so loosely packed and move in all possible direction. Okay. And how gas is different from solid and liquid? That is, gas is different from solid and liquid because in gas molecules are much far apart than in solid or liquid. That means how your molecules are arranged in solid and liquid, that is, in case of the gas they are arranged very much loosely. They are arranged very much loosely in the gas. Okay. Then what are the uses of matter? So what are the uses? That is, the uses of matter are, it is used to breathe, it is used to drink, that is your water, juice and other drinks also. Then it is used to eat, that is your plant product and animal products. Okay. It is used to travel, that is your bike, car, bus, train, aeroplane, helicopter. Okay. Then it is used to study, your books, notes book, pen, etc. Everything whatever you can see around you, that is your matter. Okay. It is used for entertainment, that is your radio, television, computer, phone, everything. Okay. So remember one thing, matter means whatever you can see, whatever. Okay. Everything is your matter. Then one question I have left from your lesson 5. This is from your lesson 5. That is, what is germination? Explain. So here the answer you will write. The development of a new plant from a seed is known as germination. Okay. Understood? Germination means when a plant develops, okay, from a seed into a new plant, that is called a germination. What are the conditions required for that? That is your air, water, sunlight, temperature and nutrients. These 5 things a plant need, a seed need to grow a plant. Okay. So all of you note down all these question answer in your copy nicely without any mistake. Okay. In the next online live classes we will read your lesson 8. Okay. So this much for today's only. Thank you.